What's the meaning of cartilaginous? Cartilaginous. Cartilaginous.
Cartilaginous. Cartilaginous. Cartilaginous is an adjective that describes something made of cartilage, a type of strong and flexible connective tissue found in various parts of the body. Cartilage acts as a cushion between bones, allowing them to move smoothly against each other. It can also provide structural support for organs like the nose and ears. Cartilaginous fish, such as sharks and rays, have skeletons made completely of cartilage instead of bone. Overall, cartilaginous refers to anything related to or composed of cartilage.